In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build an AI voice agent that automatically calls leads before their appointments to confirm availability. This will reduce no-shows and boost your shop rates without lifting a finger. Here's a quick demo.
Does this time still work for you?
I'm not sure if I want to do the call. Can you explain to me what this call is about?
Of course. This strategy session is all about giving you an insider's look at the no-code 10K AI agency model. It's a proven framework that's helped others build six-figure remote agencies without needing technical skills or coding experience. So we're still good for today at 11 a.m.
Yes.
So let's just show you what the bot actually look like. The bot that we're using right now is our own proprietary AI agents called EchoSetter. Again, link in the description. Is fully integrated with GoHighlevel. You can see here we have HA Reminder US here, which I'm going to open and show you. So the first part of the bot prompt is just identity and personal trait. The next part is communication style and response style. And then we have the real instruction coming right here when it comes to tasks. So firstly, we want the bot to greet and introduce herself to the prospects. And then the bot want to confirm upcoming appointment using the event calendar detail that extract from the GoHighlevel information. And then the bot want to present an appointment detail conversationally using day, date, time format. And then the bot want to confirm if this time is still going to work for them. And if yes, it proceed to task 3. Now task 3 is where the bot secure a yes confirmation, right? And we really just want to get that yes, which is a keyword trigger that going to remove them from this workflow and really going to affect the rest of the workflow, right? So it's really important that we get a yes in that conversation. Now the bot's job is also to emphasize value and exclusivity of the appointment. Just mentioning that we're very busy and our time is very valuable and we don't want to be wasting everyone's time. And this is the goal of the call, right? To make sure that we're going to help you set up a six-figure remote business with location freedom, right? And step 5, the bots want to provide an appointment preparation information. Again, this is where we send them a post-nurture link such as value video and testimonial. And also mention that they should be in a quiet place with good internet connection and prepare any additional information, aka do their homework before they get on the call. Right? Now that is the prompt of the bot. You can definitely do a role play with it in Whitelabel and Chatlab because these bots actually can do both phone call and text at the same time. But what I want to show you guys is that if you head over to Tool and APIs and head over to Custom Tool, you can actually set specific link. For example, if you have a testimonial video or a community link, you could just create a link and tell the bot that community link is equal, right? And if you click setting here, you can tell the bot that this community link is equal to this link. And then after the call, the bot will send them the community link. If you obviously instruct them on how to do that, the bot will send them the community link, testimonial link, or value page link, whatever that you want the bot to send. Okay, so to sum it up, this is just a regular appointment reminder workflow, but with AI calling action inside the workflow with custom tooling that allow the bot to send specific link depending on what the prospect asks for instead of generic message. These gonna help increase your show up rate logistically and technically. Hopefully that makes sense, and let me know if you have any other question in the comment. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one.